Greetings, I'm Gerbonas Lex Constantino Pedro, BSCS BA3A. So this is the final requirement of analytics application. So create a video and apply the multiple regression to the following dataset. Predict the stock index price, the dependent variable of a fictitious economy based on two independent input variables, which is the interest rate and the unemployment rate. So here the full Python code of the ultimate regression of GUI. So this is the data set, the year, the month, the interest rate, the unemployment rate, and the stock index price. So here in the below, X equals DF interest rate, unemployment rate as a type of float. So here we have two input variables, which is for multiple regression. So if you just want to use one variable for a simple linear regression, then use the X equals to DF interest rate. For example, alternatively, you may add additional variables within the bracket. So Y equals DF is stock index price as type of float. So this variable, what we are trying to predict. So when you run the code, so this GUI will appear with the scatter diagrams and the output produced by sklearn. So run the code. So as you can see, the type interest rate and the type unemployment rate. So type those values in the input box and then click on the predict stock index price button. Like for example, in the interest rate is 2.75 and the unemployment rate is 5.3. So click the predict stock index price. So as you can see, predict stock index price is 1422.86238865. So the unemployment rate, the interest rate. So in machine learning, linear regression is frequently utilized using scalar and stats models. You have seen several examples of how to carry out by multiple linear regression in Python. So hanggang dito na lang po sir. Thank you po.